Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Diana and today I will show you gluten and lactose-free recipes. My son had allergy some time ago and our doctor advised him lactose and gluten-free diet for 3 months. First recipe is pumpkin coconut cream soup with shrimps. The main ingredient for the soup is pumpkin. I have used almost 4 pounds squash. Peel it first and cut it into cubes. Cut 1 big or 2 small onions. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to the pot and fry the onions until they are soft. Peel and cut into cubes 1 big carrot. Add it to the pot and fry for about 1-2 minutes or so. Then I have added 1 cup of frozen celery root, but it is optional. Fry it until it's soft, then add squash. Add boiling water so the squash is until covered. Add to the pot lactose-free butter, 1 tablespoon, or butter ghee, it would be better to use, and fry your frozen shrimps. I had 1 packaging for 200 grams. Add 1 teaspoon of dried garlic powder. Add 1 can of coconut milk to the soup. For the spices I have used 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, Himalayan salt and pepper of your taste. Blend your soup and serve it with the shrimps on the top. Then I have added nutritional yeast for additional B vitamin, pumpkin seeds and croutons. Next recipe is casserole with the beef. For the ingredients we will need 6 small potatoes, 1 pound of minced beef, 1 sweet potato, half of zucchini, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, oat cream, half of a cup, or you can use soy cream, grated lactose-free cheese, 2 cups, half of a small onion, salt and pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to the pan and fry half of a small onion, minced beef, and I also added all-purpose herbs. Fry for about 5 to 10 minutes till beef is cooked. Then I have boiled 6 small potatoes, and separately I have boiled also 1 sweet potato. You will need to cut into small cubes half of zucchini. Also, lightly butter baking dish with the coconut oil. At this point you need to preheat your oven for 180 Celsius degrees or 356 Fahrenheit. First layer of casserole will be mashed potatoes. Add it in 1 thin layer, then add sea salt or Himalayan salt. Next layer is minced beef. Also add some sea salt on the top, and then I have added zucchini. And the last layer is sweet potato, and on the top I have added also oat cream, about 1 cup, and put it into the oven for about 20-30 minutes. For last 5 minutes add grated cheese and your casserole is ready to eat. It's very delicious. Next recipe is delicious pear pancakes. You also can use apples for this recipe. You need 6 grated pears. You have to remove extra juice from grated pears. Then add 2 eggs, 1/4 of a cup of coconut milk. You can also use oat cream. Mix everything together. You can also add 1 tablespoon of brown or coconut sugar for extra sweetness, but it's optional as usually the pears are very sweet. Then I have added 5 big tablespoons of corn flour. The consistency of a batter should not be very thick. Fry pancakes on coconut oil. Put your pancakes on a paper towel to remove excess oil. Pancakes are very delicious and sweet, you have to try them. Next recipe is couscous with the chicken and vegetables. It is a very simple and easy recipe that you can cook from leftovers. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to the pan. Add 1 small onion, 1 small carrot cut it into cubes, half of a cup of cooked chicken. I have used chicken thighs. Add 1 tomato, cut it into cubes. Fry for about 5 minutes. Then add half of a cup of couscous and 1 cup of boiling water. Cook till couscous is ready. Add Himalayan salt or sea salt, pepper and parsley. Very easy and delicious lunch or dinner is ready. Next recipe is haddock fish cutlet. You will need 450 grams of minced haddock, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 egg, all-purpose seasonings 1 teaspoon, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You will need to mix everything together and fry on a pan with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil till the cutlets are golden brown. It is very delicious and perfect dish for your baby, just skip seasonings, salt and pepper. Next recipe are chicken cutlets with vegetables. You will need 3 chicken breasts or 500 grams of minced chicken, 1 red onion, 1/3 of a cup of fresh dill, 3 eggs, half of zucchini and half of carrot. Grate all vegetables, chop onion, or I like to use food processor for this purpose. I also used food processor for chicken. Add to the chicken all vegetable mix. You will need 2 slices of light bread. Just add 1/2 of a cup of milk, lactose-free milk or lactose-free cream. Drain away extra milk and add bread to the bowl. Then add dried garlic powder, 1 teaspoon, sea salt, pepper to taste, and some grilled chicken seasonings. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee butter or coconut oil or lactose-free butter to the pan and fry your cutlets till they are golden brown. Next recipe is gluten-free and lactose-free quiche with spinach and chicken. For this recipe you will need 1/3 of a cup of rice flour or 60 grams, 100 grams of corn flour or 1/2 of a cup, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 80 milliliters of cold water, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, baking powder 1 teaspoon, Mix the dough and divide it into 2 balls. Then put it into the freezer for about 10 minutes. Now we need to prepare our filling for the quiche. You will need coconut cream or lactose-free milk, 2/3 of a cup, 2 cooked chicken breasts, I baked them in the oven with the spices, 7 eggs, spinach 1 cup, 1 big tomato, grated hard cheese, I used Parmesan, 2/3 of a cup for the filling and 1/4 for the topping. Salt and pepper, 1/2 of a teaspoon, and Provence herbs, also 1/2 of teaspoon. First mix eggs, salt, pepper, spices and coconut cream. Cut into pieces tomatoes, chicken and spinach. Use quiche form with a baking sheet. Take out the dough from freezer and flatten the dough in the thin layer. Make some holes with a fork and put it into the oven for about 5 minutes, but you can skip this step. Add grated cheese to the filling and take out from the oven your quiche. Add spinach, tomatoes and chicken, and then pour egg mixture. Add on the top 1/4 of grated cheese and put quiche in the oven for about 180 Celsius or 356 Fahrenheit till it is golden. It took about 30 minutes in my oven. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you soon. Bye bye.